What's up everyone, welcome back. My name is Justin. So in the last video, I showed you all of this stuff, all the parts for the Volkswagen engine. And today we're gonna start tearing it apart. No idea what I'm doing, never built a Volkswagen engine. I'm not new to engines. This isn't a new thing for me, but this is my first Volkswagen engine. So we're gonna start tearing into this one and we're gonna build an engine. If you don't know what's all this stuff, previous video we go over all of that. We do an update on the car and we go over all this stuff. So if you have questions about that, see the previous video, but we're gonna get started on that one right now. Alright guys, So this is where we're at so far. Just been time-lapsing this whole time, and this is where we made it to. So I'm gonna call it a night, and we're gonna head to dinner. But this is where we're at. We got it pretty much stripped. I still got this one heater box, and then these covers here. But we got all the covers off the top, and I mean, you can see this thing's been leaking oil for a long time, and it's a good thing we took it apart. Nothing's been tight really. I mean, the distributor wasn't even tight. It was just kind of spinning in there, and yeah, it's not a surprise that this thing wasn't running very good, but this is where we're at. So we're gonna end this one here. I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll pick up the next video tomorrow where we actually start tearing into this thing and see what it looks like. So stay tuned, and you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I hope you guys liked today's video, but stay tuned for more.